Welcome friends. Today we are going to understand presentation of numbers in scientific notation on Taylor frame and otherwise. We are also going to learn how these numbers are multiplied without changing their notation, without changing their form, how they are divided, and where and by how much places we should shift the digits. Please like and subscribe the channel. In scientific notation, a number is expressed in the form m into 10 raised to power n, where m is greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. This means m is a single digit number greater than or equal to 1, and n is an integer. Please note, n can be negative or positive but is an integer. Now let us see how we can write numbers into scientific notation. 5018 is a 4-digit integer, but we have to put the decimal after one place because m is a single digit number greater than equal to 1. So we write it as 5.018 into 10 raised to power 3. As we know, all the symbols for the numbers, other notations, exponents, etc., we can easily translate it on Taylor frame, and you will see that it is 5.018 into 10 raised to power 3. Simple. Same way, 320.0, but the decimal, after decimal there is 0, and we know that if there is a 0 after decimal, it has no meaning. That means it is simply an integer 320. So it is written as 3.20 into 10 raised to power 2. On Taylor frame, 3.20 into 10 raised to power 2. Same way, 326.1. Now there is a decimal, but after the decimal it is 1, not 0. This is significant, and therefore we convert it to 3.261 into 10 raised to power 2. On Taylor frame, 3 to 3.261 into 10 raised to power 2. Simple. I think now there will be no problem in presenting any type of number on Taylor frame. Same way, this number is beginning with decimal. It is 0.0215. So we have to shift the decimal such that m lies between 1 and a single digit number. It lies between 1 and 10. So we convert it to 2.15. Now look, we have taken this decimal from two places to the right. Therefore, it is 2.15 into 10 raised to power negative 2. On Taylor frame also, it is 2.15 into 10 raised to power negative 2. Okay. to find the product of numbers, when the numbers are in scientific notation, we can directly multiply them. We can find the product directly without converting them to the normal form. If we multiply m1 by m2 and add the exponents of 10, that means first number into the second number is m1 into m2 into 10 raised to power x plus y. Let us see. I am using the same numbers so that the concept is clear. We have already represented these numbers on the previous slide. So 5.018 into 10 raised to power 3 into 3.20 into 10 raised to power 2. M1 is 5.018 and M2 is 3.20. So we are multiplying M1 by M2 and we are adding the exponents. 10 raised to power 3 plus 2. Go to the second step. We have multiplied. It is 16.0576. We have added the exponents. It is 10 raised to power 5 now. And this is our answer. Same thing can be done on Taylor frame also. But note down, this 16.0576 into 10 raised to power 5 is not in proper scientific notation, because the m part of it is 16, which is a 2-digit number. We will have to convert this also to 1-digit number, and so we write it as 1.60576 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, take care. When you multiply m1 and m2, you have to see that the number you get must be converted in the proper form such that the m is greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. Now on Taylor frame, we have written the first number. It is within brackets. Now second number within brackets, and you know when parentheses are closed, it represents product. Now we are finding the product. We have multiplied m1 by m2 and added the exponents, and we get the result. Okay. Now we are going to divide numbers in scientific notation. It's almost similar. M1 into 10 raised to power x divided by M2 into 10 raised to power y is M1 divided by M2 into 10 raised to power x minus y. But we know when we divide, exponents are subtracted. For example, I am again taking the same two numbers which I took in multiplication. It is 5.018 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 3.20 into 10 raised to power 2. So we will divide 5.018 by 3.20 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1.568125 into 10 raised to power 1. Note here, there is a single digit. M part of it is already in proper form. Therefore, we need not go ahead. On Taylor frame, write the first number, put a division sign, and write the other number. Then divide the first m and divide m1 by m2 and subtract the exponents, and we get the result. 1.56812 into 10 raised to power 1. Okay, be sure that you know all the orientations of both types of Taylor frame. If you know them, you will find that you can even generate new things. You can represent many arithmetical and algebraic forms on Taylor frame. Though we will be discussing every week in our two classes at least, we will be discussing all these things. But be sure that you know the concept. Okay. Thanks for watching. अरे क्या हो जा